Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this interactive hover reveal using Framer without writing a single line of code. I'll also share a free remix link in the description, so make sure to check it out. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Let's create a project, then click this layers, desktop, and click this layout to make it stack. Now press F on your keyboard to add a frame. Set the width fill and we will change the height later. Remove this fill color and again make it stack. Now press T on your keyboard to add text and type our text. Change the font to Instrument Sans, width to semi-bold and increase the size to 96, letter 0.03 minus and line 0.09 and change the color to this color. Change the width to fill and copy this 5 more times by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard and select all. Write them into another stack by pressing Ctrl+Alt+Enter or Command Option Return on Mac. Name it text. Change the direction to vertical. Click this stack and change the height to fit content. Same goes on here, fit content. Let's update the text. And on the right panel, add a video. For hover reveal video, click this insert and type video. Drop it here. Now drag this and drop it here, and we need to position it here, so again click here and drop it here. Now change the width and height for this, which is 540 and 670. Now let's turn this into a component. Click this stack, right click on it and click this create component. Name it anything. I'm naming it container and add a fill color white and add a fixed height 1200 pixel. Align it start and add some padding. Add some gap here, I guess 30. Perfect. Add 6 more variants for this 6 text. Click this variant 1, zoom out a bit and click this variant to add a variant. Now go to the variant 2. Change the text color of shirts to black. Do the same for the third variant's second text, which is this, and for this. Let's upload the specific videos for each variant. For the shirts text, upload the shirt video. Click this upload, choose file and upload this video. For the jeans text, upload the jeans video and so on for each corresponding item. By the way, you can find these videos on this assets page here. You can find all the 6 videos. We have finished all the styling. Now comes the fun part, adding effects. Click on shirts and watch this navigation trigger. Click here and drop it in this area. Choose the interaction, mouse enter. Now zoom out a bit and click this variant 2. Again click this navigate icon. Drop it here. Interaction, mouse leave. Now let's give it a preview to see if it's working or not. Go to the home, preview. Yes, it's working, as you can see. Now do the same for the corresponding variants. zoom out a bit, click this jeans, navigate and drop it here, mouse enter. Now click this variant and drop it here, mouse leap. Done. Now let's give it a preview again. Perfect. Our project is almost done. We just need to add the hover animation. So click here, effects, hover and scale it 1. Change the X offset to 30. Now copy this effect and select all the text and paste this effect. Now let's see. Yes, it's working perfectly. But one last thing, as you can see in our project, there's no video by default. So all we need to do is reduce the opacity to 0. So go back to the variant 1, this, and reduce the opacity to 0. Now manually change the opacity for the variant 2 to 7. And make it 1. Now let's preview it one more time to check if everything looks perfect or not. And I think it does. So this is how you can create an interactive hover reveal using Framer. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. That's it from me, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.